SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So, I'm here for a time, but not a long time. You know what I'm saying? I'm just want to come give you a quick little update, current price action. I'm just going to run through like a top down, but I'm really just going to give you an update of current price action. So, when we get down to the daily in that handy dandy 90 minute. But, currently swing to swing here on the monthly time frame, expansion phase. And now price is in this retracement phase. The retracement phase is bearish because price encountered this bullish expansion, higher low, higher high, bearish retracement. So we want to zoom into this bearish time frame here on the monthly time frame. We want to zoom in, get your magnifying glass and tune that up. You know what I mean? Twist it a little bit, tune it. We're gonna fine tune this thing. You feel me? We're gonna zoom into this monthly time frame microscopically to understand what is price doing right now. So, scale down to the weekly time frame, and we're gonna get that understanding. What is price doing right now? Currently, you know, we know in the monthly time frame, price is bearish, encountering a bearish retracement. So we want to go down to the weekly time frame and read that bearish price action. Currently, price is encountering and experiencing this bearish expansion here on the weekly time frame that just came and took out these equal lows here, these lows, and these lows. Now, currently, price is what? Opened here, closed here, closed beyond these equal lows, and now price is encountering this price action. What is this price action? You know, we we about to find out. You know what I'm saying? So we want to know what is price doing right here, right now, on this weekly time frame. Inside of this weekly price action, we know price is encountering this bearish expansion here. We got the open of previous candle, last week's price bearish. Excuse me, price bearish. Also, we know and understand this is monthly structure here. Higher low, higher high. This is the swing points of that monthly time frame. So this is the price action that we are encountering inside of that monthly time frame. And we see swing, and we have encountered another swing point. So price is still in this expansion phase. So scale down to the daily. What is price doing right now? There we go. So what is price doing right now? So on the daily time frame, we got this bearish price action here with this bearish expansion. On this daily time frame, we got the swing to swing now. You know what I mean? Bearish time frame, we got this lower high to this lower low. Price bought here. So now on the daily time frame, price is bullish. Price is in its retracement phase. Price is encountering a bullish retracement. So this is the start of this bullish retracement on the daily time frame. So we know right now, currently, price is bullish. We have the open of previous week, you know what I'm saying, bearish, and then we have these highs here that can be used currently, can be used as manipulation, as the catalyst to produce its bearish continuation. We just reading price action, we know that this is a level that can be manipulated, and with a pierce, or violation of these highs, for a reversal to induce sellers to come into the market and encounter another bearish expansion or bearish continuation to the downside. Now, right here, we got previous day open, price is bullish. So to determine what price is doing right now in this bullish price action, this bullish retracement of the daily time frame, we scale down. You know what I'm saying? Scale down to the hold up, folks. One, okay, that's what it was. All right, you know. So you feel me? Currently, on the 90-minute, you know, price had encountered this bearish expansion here, swing to swing on a 90-minute, and then this was the retracement. But you know, okay, we reading the retracement, and if you want to say, the retracement turned into a full-blown reversal by breaking structure here on the 90-minute with this move here, you know. And also we just reading price action. Price got here, we wanted to see a continuation. The continuation was a retracement, or was corrective price action. So you know, we know continuations should be impulsive. The fact that this coming into the open of this structure and showing respect, but although showing respect, the price action wasn't impulsive. So, you know, just understanding the retracement. If we was reading this retracement, we had got this swing to swing, and then this the price action that followed, and then encountered after coming into the open of this, what you would say the retracement or the swing low of this retracement moved, or the structure of this retracement. Price showed respect and got another expansion, breaking and disrespecting the 90-minute structure that was there. So now currently price is what? This bullish expansion. We encountered, just like we encountered this structure retracement here, we are encountering structure retracement here. Bullish expansion, bearish retracement, A, B, C, D. We know when price encounters and establishes a higher low and higher high, or a lower low and lower high, and a structure retracement here, a lower low, a lower high and lower low. You feel me? We get a reversal. Now, price came into the open of the previous day candle. You know what I'm saying? Or the open of the previous day candle. And then, you know, we got this price show respect, and we got this push up. You feel me? Now, we know this is the snipe zone of this current move here that price can come into, show respect, and get a continuation. You know, you feel me? We see what price is doing and count on the 90-minute. Now, you know, we know price is what? In this bearish retracement. So we read the retracement. In this bearish retracement, we are encountering this bearish expansion here. Inside of this bearish expansion, or this bearish continuation, we now is producing and encountering a internal retracement inside of this previous bearish 90-minute candle. So price is encountering this internal retracement coming into the open of said candle that can induce and produce a continuation to the downside after coming into the open of said candle. You know what I mean? And produce another expansion, and then we can look for, or maybe this uh, price could come down and reverse, but we just read price action, understanding what can come from, you know, what price did. You feel me? So we know that we can anticipate this, or if price wants to just engulf this candle and start its continuation here after coming into encountering the open of the daily previous day open bullish, you know. But just reading this price action, we can encounter this continuation. This continuation can ultimately come into this level, the close of this bearish candle, and show respect, and immediately, you know, immediately reverse out of it, you know. And you feel me? Price can do that just like it did here. You know, we got this bearish expansion, or this bearish candle here, internal retracement, continuation, failed continuation. I say failed continuation because price came down into the lows of this and the close of this bearish candle and showed respect. Then boom, bullish expansion. The same thing can happen, or price can come down in here, do the same thing, or, you know, still create another expansion and then reversal. However, we're going to see what price is going to do, understanding and knowing what price does. So, you know, is how we looking at it. We are anticipating continuation to the upside, and then we go from there. But you know, like I always say, baby, that's how we looking at it. We see what price is doing. We know what price did. Bearish expansion right now. So yeah, you heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm